You're right, mate.
What's up, yo?
Yeah, you good? You having a nice day?
Very good, thanks, my man.
Yeah, where you from?
Newcastle.
Newcastle. Wow, you having a nice time?
Yeah.
Nice one. Alright, so today is Saturday and it's a Fuse Festival 2021. So I'm currently in Lichfield. So if you're watching this video, if you've been to a Fuse Festival before, please do let me know in the comment section. So let's just explore this beautiful place. People are very nice down here. So I hope I can get more locals to talk to us, you know. Right, you know the tradition though. Please do like the video. I want to get 100 likes for this video, so please do like the video. Even before you watch the video, just hit the like button. Yeah, so let's get 100 likes, all right? I don't know, let me give you guys a little bit of history about this place. So it's a music festival. So if you can hear in the background down there, there's a lot of live performances going down there. I will be going live shortly. So if you are part of this channel, if you put your notification button on, as soon as I go live, you should get notified. I will go live shortly. I don't know how to put it, but you know, I just came here to see if I could give you guys some content about this beautiful, lively festival.
Something I see, but it's
my God, that was an energetic performance. Whew. I lost of breath. That was amazing. You enjoyed the performance, right? So if you did enjoy the performance, please do subscribe. Give the video a big like button. Thank you very much. Let's continue the vlog. Yeah, from Bristol, but you know, I know we have cider, but I don't like it that much. Oh no, beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Would you like the ale or the lager?
I want the ale, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cider's from Bristol. We do cider every day. I'm from Bristol, so you can imagine. But I'm here, so I want to drink something local. You having a nice day, mate?
He gets a fucking rat off.
That's £8, please.
I'm having a nice time with John here, and John is having an amazing time.
There you go.
Alright, can I have one of, how do you call it, the glass?
Half.
The glass, yeah, 2 of them.
1, 2.
Yeah.
So you want another half?
No, just the empty glass.
Just an empty glass.
Yeah, is that right?
You have to pay a quid.
Yeah, it's okay.
And you can keep it.
Okay. Another one?
5 quid.
Okay. I want another one of this.
Oh, you want another one?
Yes, please.
Hey, enjoy your night, mate.
Thank you. Have a wonderful cider.
Yeah, I am.
Enjoy it here, right? Have a nice cider. Thank you. Alright, cheers. Have a nice day.
8 quid altogether.
So I want another empty glass.
Sorry?
Another empty glass.
Oh, you want another empty glass?
Empty glass, yeah.
There you go.
So that's it, yeah?
Yeah, that's 8, 9. 9 altogether.
Right, so this is what I got. And it cost me 9 quid. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to pause the camera so that I can enjoy.